myself Khushbu Kapoor. Welcome to my channel Exotic Chemistry, where the mission is not only 100% marks but also 100% knowledge. Friends, today I am going to share the video on the from class 9th, chapter 2 is matter around us pure. In that I am going to explain you about the separating funnel. I had already uploaded the video of sublimation from class 9th, and now I am going to tell you the second technique by which we can separate the mixture of two immiscible liquids. Now first of all, I'll let you know what is the immiscible liquids or why we are using the separating funnel. But before that, friends, I need your support. Please like and subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. Okay, and now coming up back to my topic, that is the technique which is used for the mixture of two immiscible liquids, that is immiscible. Now the word describes immiscible means the pair of liquids which are not mixed with each other, means they do not form homogeneous mixture. They do not form. Homo I have explained you before, I had uploaded the video on that also. Homo means when two liquids completely form a uniform composition. They completely mix with each other. For example, either sugar and water, salt and water, they completely mix together and they form the homogeneous mixture. But in this case, in the case of immiscible liquids, they are the pair of liquids that normally form, that do not mix with each other. Now, suppose by chance you have mixed the two liquids and now you want to separate it out. How you will separate? Then there is a technique of separating funnel. And what is the principle for separating funnel is, the principle is this, that the liquids are normally separated from each other on the basis of their density. The liquid which is having higher density will come at the bottom, and which is quite lighter, which is having less density, will be on the upper side of that second liquid. Okay, now in this case we are going to separate out the mixture of oil and water. Okay, oil and water, they normally forms the immiscible liquids. They are quite heterogeneous in nature because they do not mix with each other. Now suppose while working in the kitchen, by chance your mother has mixed oil and water and she want to separate it. Then what is the technique used? The technique used is separating funnel. What is that separating funnel? I am telling you. This is a separating funnel. Here it is a stopcock. Then here it is a stopcock. What we are going to do, suppose the mixture that is having the oil and the water is added in the separating funnel, and this mixture is allowed to stand for half an hour, for 30 minutes. So, no? Half an hour you can allow to stand for 30 minutes. Now, what will happen? The liquid which is having higher density will settle down at the bottom of the separating funnel, and the mixture or the liquid which is having less density will be floating up. Now, when there is a mixture of kerosene and water, or you can say the mustard oil, whichever oil, the vegetable oil you are using, you are going to add this water and oil and put it in a separating funnel for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, what you will see, there is a layer of kerosene oil and there is a layer of water. Now, how you are going to separate? Open the stopcock, open it. The oil will start to come from the separating funnel, and we can collect that water in the separating funnel, in the beaker, and the oil means we are able to see a clear demarcation. एक फिल्म दिख जाती है, एक सेपरेशन लेयर दिखती है कि यहाँ पे ऑयल है और यहाँ पे हमारा वाटर है. So when the water will come down in the beaker, observe it carefully. When we see that yes, now all the water is taken in the beaker, now what will do? You will do, then stop the stopcock. Then in that separating funnel there will be a kerosene oil, and in the beaker there will be having the water. So the liquid which is having high density will be separated out first from the beaker, and the oil which is having less density will be there in the separating funnel. So by separating funnel we can separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids which are having the different densities. The liquid which is having more density will be collected at the bottom of the separating funnel, and the liquid which is having less density will be collected at the top of the separating funnel. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any query, do write in the comment section. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.